Using social media to find problems. I'm only going to use Facebook today, but there are other patterns for other media. I just want to kind of get you into something like this. So in Facebook, there's a thing called Facebook groups. So one of the groups I'm part of is my friend Alex Sharfin. He's got this entrepreneurial personality type Facebook group. And in this Facebook group, I saw somebody do a post and it says, I need help. And then he talks about specifically having challenges with his daughter. And that could potentially be a product that you would want to investigate and get a concept and an idea and get excitement around following a tried and true step-by-step method to come up with a solution, specifically if nobody's providing one, when people like this are typing this in a Facebook group and sharing them. Here's another one. So this is specifically with internet marketing related, the Call to Copy. It's run by Colin Terrio, a very interesting gentleman. And he's got this group, and one day somebody posts in there a very simple question. When it comes to writing a creative LinkedIn summary, is it recommended to use problem, agitate, solve, or this or that or whatever, right? And so he's asking a question. So LinkedIn copywriting specifically, is there a potential one problem, one solution focus related to this concept? How to write a compelling, high-converting LinkedIn summary, or even how to write a compelling, high-converting LinkedIn profile, focusing specifically on something like that. What you can do in a lot of these social media is you can perform certain searches to see patterns or to see if people continually ask the same questions over and over again. So on Facebook, for example, I did a search for groups on cooking, and then I clicked on group over here. And you can see when you click on that, there's all kinds of different closed and public and groups that you can, even if it's closed, you can ask to join it. And then you can get in all kinds of ideas by looking at potential problems people are having in these groups that they're posting that maybe you can provide solutions for. One problem, one solution type of products.